In this video, we'll show you how to use KindProxy Residential Proxies with IP Whitelist Authentication. IP Whitelist Authentication is best for devices or servers with a static public IP. Once your IP is whitelist, you can connect without a username or password. If your public IP changes frequently, username and password authentication is recommended instead. Let's get started. First, add your device's or server's public IP address to the whitelist. This allows you to connect using IP Whitelist Authentication. Next, configure your filters and generate the proxy list. Currently, filtering is available at the country level only. If you need more advanced targeting options such as state, city, or ASN, we recommend using username and password authentication. In rotating mode, the proxy list updates automatically as you change the filters. In sticky mode, after changing the filters, click Apply to save the new settings. In the proxy list section on the right, you can adjust the number of proxies to generate with a maximum of 1,000 proxies. Now let's run a test command on the whitelist device to check the proxy's exit IP information. Go to the Proxy Integration tab and copy the curl command to the terminal. Great! The exit IP information matches our selected filters exactly. Since this is a sticky session, the IP remains the same even when we run the command twice. Go back to the proxy settings page and update the filters. Click Apply to apply the changes. For existing sticky sessions, the update may take a few minutes to take effect, up to 5 minutes at most. Next, we'll show you how to retrieve proxy lists using the IP Whitelist API method. This method is ideal for automated workflows, scripts, or applications that need to dynamically retrieve proxy information without manually generating proxies from a dashboard. Unlike manual extraction from the dashboard, the API method allows you to programmatically obtain proxy lists whenever needed. Let's see how it works. In addition to the basic proxy parameters, you can choose the output format as TXT or JSON and customize the delimiter used in the generated proxy list. And you can set the number of proxies to generate up to a maximum of 1,000. After configuring the parameters, click Generate button to create the URL for retrieving the proxy list. Simply send an HTTP GET request to this URL, and the proxy list will be returned in the format you selected. Next, click the Open URL button to view the generated proxy list. Before we finish, here are a few things to keep in mind when using IP Whitelist Authentication. First, make sure your public IP address has been added to the whitelist before connecting. If your public IP changes, you'll need to update the whitelist with the new IP address. This authentication method works best for devices or servers with a static public IP. If you frequently switch networks, username and password authentication may be a better option. One more thing to note, currently, proxy filtering supports country-level targeting only. Advanced targeting options such as state, city, or ASN are not available in this mode. That's all for this tutorial. In the next video, we'll cover how to integrate KindProxy proxies with different tools and workflows. Thanks for watching.